Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question provide my channel. Today I am discuss about how to get the maximum score in the IELTS speaking, how to introduce yourself. First of all, confidence is very important for speaking as well as the written test. If you have the confidence, then you formally speak and reply your answer. Here, it is a not very difficult task for speaking. If you know about the tenses, verb, then you speak anything very easily. Let's start. When the examiners say, "What's your name?" you say, "I'm Simran." It's Simran. And you only answer your name. First question for and in this general question you don't say only single answer, but here the name only you say your single answer. Another question, what should I call you? You say you call me as Simran. There are some formal question about the hometown and home and family. Just say about the 2 or 3 lines. It is a general question, so that don't reply single answer, single word. If the examiner put about the question on the hometown, you say about that I live in Jalandhar. It is located between the Ludhiana and Amritsar. It is a very beautiful hometown, and there are many facilities valuable in the hometown like hospital, school, institutions, and many other facilities. So that I like it. What is your hometown? A hometown is the place where you were born or lived as a child. You explain this thing in formal way. If you explain your informal way, this answer is not correctly. As example, my hometown is called the Almaty and it's a magnificent city located in the southern Kazakhstan with a population of over 1 million inhabitants. It is an informal answer, so that is way not to explain your question, and so basically you reply the answer in a formal